Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to sell products on TikTok Shop. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. Now the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to open our TikTok app and we'll go to profile. And then as you can see in our TikTok shop, it's empty. So we are going to add products in our TikTok shop. So just click the three lines icon at the upper right hand corner of our interface and click Creator Tools. This is our Creator Tools dashboard. So click the TikTok shop for seller, and then you can link your account using the web browser, or you can open the TikTok app Seller Center. So sign up with TikTok and then confirm. So this is your TikTok shop dashboard, and we are going to add products. So just click the add products tab, and then we are going to add a product image. So choose the image that you're going to sell on TikTok. And then for the product name, let's say we're going to name it baggy jeans. And then for the product description, so you're going to give a description of your product. So for the product description, let's say it's a pre-loved jeans. And we are going to select a category. So this is under women's wear and underwear. And then we are going to select women's bottoms. And then jeans. For product attributes, you are just going to give more information to your product. So these are just optional, so you may or may not fill this out. But however, to give more information to your customers or for them to choose your product, then it's better if you can give the attribute. So under the product attributes, you are going to be asked for the washing instructions, the hem length, the size type, for a season, when is the best time to wear your product, material, the design, is it stretchable, the fit, the design, the pattern, the style, the waist height, embellishment, if there is an embellishment. Just to give the information that is needed by your customers, then so please fill out the product attributes for them to be guided as well as to what product you are selling. Okay, so let's continue filling this out. So for the design, we're not going to indicate anything here. And then for the stretch type, so none. Let's say this is not stretchable, so none. And then for the fit, we're just not going to indicate something here. For the pattern, it's just plain. And for the closure type, let's say it uses button. And for the occasions, and this is just for casual. And then for the style, let's say this is street style. For the waist height, this is high waist. For the embellishment, so none. So just review the things that you've written here and then click submit. And since we're selling jeans, then we are going to add a size chart. So under the size chart template, then add a new size chart. So for the description, you're just going to, let's say, waist, the options. Submit. And then for the size information, so we're going to say the size is small and the waist is, let's say, 25 to 26 inches. And then we are going to submit. So you can customize your size chart. And for the retail price, how much is the worth of your product? So let's say this is 250 pesos. And for the stock, how many? So let's say there are 10 available jeans. So for the seller SKU, you may or may not fill that out. For the parcel weight, I'm not sure how much it weighs, but let's say 200, no, let's say 500 grams. So if you're not really sure, then you may check the weight of your product. So for the product dimensions, it's optional as well. So if you don't really have a specific height, width, or length of your product, then you may not fill this out. Okay, the mode of payment of your product. So if you want this to be on COD or cash on delivery, just click the button and review the information that you have, and then just click publish. And all you need to do is just wait because the product is still on review. And once it's review, it's going to go to our products live. So meaning it's already available. So just click the live icon and there, your baggy jeans is already available on your TikTok shop. You can also view your TikTok shop using your TikTok app and just click to your profile and click the TikTok shop icon. And there it is. It's already available on your TikTok shop. And that's how easy you can sell products on TikTok. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to write them below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.